Alright, we'll do an unboxing on a Sundown U12. Got the shit from Down for Sound. See how old JP did. Already packed pretty fucking good. Oh fuck yeah. What is this? So I ordered this lanyard straight up from Sundown, and they sent it with this package. Down for Sound. Alright. Got me a t-shirt. Got the lanyard. Sundown. Sticker. Got this shit in there now. It's a little bit different than what they were doing. Voltmeter. Oh, there we go. Alright, alright. What it do? Bingo. Stiff as fuck. So it looks pretty good. Don't really have any complaints with that. I'll get my flashlight. Oh, it's different. Check this shit out. Look at this coil. Now, I bought one of these when they first came out, and the tinsel lead melted the fuck off of it. And somehow it shifted and started rubbing the pole. But this one, there you go, JP, that's how that one turned out. This one, tinsel lead gone. Every other tinsel lead totally fine. Just the one. And I had that nasty shit right there. I mean, other than that, it was great. But yeah, this coil is different. This is that black shit, which I don't really have a preference either way. But I think this looks cooler. So hopefully the tinsel leads aren't an issue for me again. I got a recone coming for this bad boy today. So I'll be running 2 of these on a Orion XTR 2501D DZ, I'm sorry. MechMan 240 alt, 3 Optima Group 31 batteries, yellow top. So should be pretty good. I had 2 SA12s on it, but they were getting stinky, so I figured I'd rather have some shit that I can't blow up that easy. Take it easy, guys.